Hello everyone, welcome to Delft Junction. Hope you're all well. Enjoyed a little bit of sunshine. I had a bit of rain last night, so gardens needed it. Right, this is just a one-off. It's in between my new modelling platform rebuild, my new bit of modelling space. I'm sort of halfway through that now. But this one I had to do because a bit gobsmacked. I'll give you a bit of history. About a year ago, Brian at Train Set Shop had these fantastic carriages. I try and pronounce them. Cherestory. I have a bit of trouble pronouncing them. Anyway, I'll put them down in the description. Anyway, how it's spelled. I was about to buy them, and a dear friend, Mav, got there before me. Since then, we've had friendly banter about them, and put crying emojis on that he's got them. Anyway, I came back from Kettleby in the caravan when I did the Stanford exhibition, and lo and behold, there was a package there on the other side of the gate. So they threw it over the gate, a 7-foot gate, onto the ground. But when I opened them up, there were the carriages. He's gifted them to me. What a gentleman, what a lovely bloke, I mean, he didn't need to do that at all. I mean, we were all having friendly banter. Anyway, I'll show you what they're like. Cherestory, I don't know. I'll put it in the writing anyway. But this is them. Beautiful looking carriage, run absolutely superbly on my layout, no trouble whatsoever. And the best thing, don't know whether you can see that. Can you see that? It's got made in Great Britain, not China. So it's an old one, but best. I'm going to put lights in it. I'm going to put some people in it. But I'll show you what it's like anyway when it's running around. I've got another 3 oldies I'm putting on with it, but they're not the same sort of era, same as the steamer that's pulling it. But anyway, give it a run round and hope you enjoy it. Okay. Right, the 2 Cherestory wagons are on the back. They look very nice. No problem at all with them. Lovely looking wagons. So once get some lights in them, get some people, should look quite good. There you go, folks. A couple of beautiful little carriages in. Really do like them. And Mev, thank you very much. That's a lovely little gift. That was a nice surprise when I got back off holiday. There's some brilliant people in this hobby. Got a group, we all respect each other. It's a fantastic little hobby. When I started this, I didn't realise I'd make so many friends. We've got loads of people like me, Dino, all out. I can't go on, Rob and Grace, everybody. And it's a great little hobby. Got me mini-me's, got me painted ones. I've still one up, but I don't think my camera will focus on it. Let's see if I can focus on it. Is this standing on the, you see it? Standing on the water tower. Good looking bloke. You know, it's a bit of a hard life, but when you get sort of like meet people like this, it makes life a lot easier. Anyway, I won't keep rattling on. I'm in the middle of my, I don't know what you call it, space model, space build platform, bit of extra space, but I'll say I'm in the middle of that, and I'll get that done. And with luck, should be next time. Okay. Anyway, you all stay safe out there. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.